Hi, my name is Rajat Arora. I'm from New Delhi, India. I've been working as a medical sales representative with various pharmaceutical firms for last 10 years now. I, as a medical sales representative, performs two core responsibilities. First is the pitching of the product to the healthcare professionals. Now, pitching is the strategic and the planned communication to claim the benefits of the product to the healthcare professionals. So I perform sales pitching by two methods. One is face-to-face interaction with the healthcare professionals. In fact, this is the main working of my role to meet a set number of HCPs daily for sales pitching. I perform another kind of sales pitching through engaging key opinion leaders. Now, key opinion leaders are the doctors or the HCPs who holds repute among the medical fraternity. And the medical fraternity is much likely to follow the suggestion and the recommendation of these key opinion leaders. So I arrange regular scientific meetings with these KOLs as the speakers, so that they can share their experience of using the product which I promote. I perform another core responsibility, which is supply chain management. I ensure the uninterrupted flow of the products to each and every healthcare setup. I follow up with each and every healthcare setups for product inventory, and also for check for the payment dues at the customer's ends, which can hinder the products billing and the supply. I perform this function by consistently and regularly contacting the person at the accounts and the purchase department of each and every healthcare setups. To summarize my role, I would say my role needs more of physical activities than the mental activities. My role is field intensive, which includes daily traveling for sales pitching to various HCPs through public vehicle or the self vehicle. This also includes moving and traveling to X stations and the outstation cities, which take few hours to long hours to actually reaching to the area of working. Besides, all HCPs has their different preferred timings and days for meeting with the medical sales representative, and this many times pushes my working times to the late evenings. Also, the average allowed meeting time by the HCP is only 3 minutes, as the research and the reports suggest. And the meeting with the HCP involves only the implementation of the planned communication by the company. This role limits my opportunity to analyze the various business aspects of the pharmaceutical market to a very limited extent. I would say that 70 to 80% of my role is just the implementation, the planned implementation, and only the rest of the minimal is the thinking or the strategic thinking. So my role is more of physical activities and less of the strategic thinking. Now I assessed that these are the two limitations which have been holding myself for taking a next role in the sales department, or taking a growth opportunity in the sales department. And I also assess that what will be my next role, which gives me maximum opportunity to perform the functions and the workings I desire for. I assessed through intensive browsing. I searched various career related videos on YouTube. I asked for specific and checked for specific queries on Quora, and I have done a number of Google searches. I also connected and interacted with various professionals on LinkedIn, which have given me a lot of insights about my next role. So I have connected and interacted with these professionals through messaging, and also got the opportunity to connect few of them over telephone. So after the assessment, I would say that I need a role which gives me maximum opportunity to to perform strategic thinking, and maximum opportunity to enhance and perform leadership and the communication abilities. Now I aspire to be a business analyst, and 5 years down the line I would aspire to be a business consultant. So business analyst, the day-to-day working of the business analyst is to know when a business needs the change, know the impact of the proposed change, and finally communicating the change to the stakeholders for its implementation. So every time there is a new business case or business problem, and that can be analyzed through various direct and indirect methods. So it can be analyzed through interacting internal and external stakeholders, face-to-face interviews, and multiple brainstorming sessions. This can also be analyzed through indirectly analyzed through analyzing field surveys and questionnaires, uh, and intensive desk research. So the role is interesting because every time there is a new business opportunity, and it will enhance the mental capabilities and stretches your mental capabilities even more than the last time. Business analyst also performs and demonstrates strong communication. So business analyst gathers informations and the insights by interacting with various internal and external stakeholders. And not to say these interactions need an effective communication to frame a right question in the right way through the right medium. The main and the one of the main working or daily activities of the business analyst is to perform business meetings. So be it a face-to-face interaction, be it a multiple brainstorming sessions, a case study discussion, or finally presenting the solution to the senior management. All these required a leading and a navigating role of the business analyst to lead the project or the business meetings. So this role will give me an opportunity to perform strong leadership and communication capabilities. To sum up, this role diminishes the two very limitations which has been holding me to take the opportunity in sales department, and also this give me a very much opportunity to perform the functions which is the strong leadership and communication capabilities, and the strategic thinking functions which I desire for. So I'm looking forward to get this role further in 6 months down the line. So wish me luck. Thank you.